Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to enable LAN port updated. Start by powering down your router and unplugging Ethernet cables before you touch anything. Next, log into the router web interface from a connected device and navigate to the LAN or Ethernet settings page. Identify the port you want to enable, then change its status to enabled and save your settings. Reconnect cables and reboot the router to apply changes. In this video, I will show how to enable LAN port updated. After logging in, look for LAN, Ethernet, or advanced menus to find port controls quickly. Some routers list ports by number or physical label, so match the UI listing to the router hardware. If a port is disabled, toggle it to enabled, then confirm any VLAN or DHCP assignments to ensure the device gets an IP address. Save settings and proceed to verify. In this video, I will show how to enable LAN port updated. If the port still fails, inspect LEDs for link lights and swap cables to rule out bad wiring. Try a different device on the same port to determine if the issue is device-specific. Review VLAN, port security, and firmware settings that might block traffic. As a last resort, back up your config, perform a factory reset, and reapply only necessary settings to restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.